Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'll be showing you guys how to make your own boneless Italian beef straight out of Chicago. Now, this is going to be an easy, simple, and money-saving recipe. Alright, now this boneless Italian beef right here, if you can see it, if I block some of that, there you go. Alright, now they're located in Chicago, and they sell this particular container right here at Aldi's. I'm going to repeat it again, at Aldi's. So go over there and save you lots of dollars. I'm going to be trying to make at least about 4 of these bad boys. This particular container costs only $7 to $8 about one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna make about 4. So go over there and get you some of this. They also have giardiniera. This is my homemade recipe right here. You guys can check that out. Should have a link up here, and I'll probably have another link coming up after that right here as well for the Italian beef homemade and all that good stuff. I'll probably just put up different ones like you can make. All right, so this is saving you money recipe. So that's right, boneless Italian beef recipe. All right, show you how to make it now. All right, you're gonna need some Toronto bread. This came from Aldi's as well. This was like $3.99. All right, this is from Chicago as well. All right, you can't have Italian beef if you don't have this bread. They got some giardiniera there. That was like $2.99. I don't even think it's $2.99. I think it's $1.98. So they got mild and spicy. So guys, let's go ahead and put this stuff together. I'm gonna use my own particular giardiniera, and you're gonna need you a pot. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got here. So we gotta warm up this gravy first. All right, and I did let mine sit in the refrigerator for like 24 hours. All right, so here's what you got in here. So we're just gonna pour this in this pot, just like so. Let's see, we might be able to get 5 or 6 of these bad boys. Yeah, there's a lot of meat in there. That's a lot of meat. I'm gonna get some of this water. Some of the seasoning out here. Yes, sir. So if you don't want to make it from scratch like I do, this is an easy recipe for you. And since the game day coming up, or the game day already gone in this case, because I don't know if I'm going to put this up tomorrow or not on game day, but they should have had it up today. So don't worry about the game day. You can save it for another game day. Let's see how many ounces is this. This is a 4-pound bucket. And here's all the stuff we could get in there. That's a lot. That's a lot. So we're just gonna warm this up, guys, on simmer. Do not let this come to a boil, okay? Don't do it, all right? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the Italian beef. If you have a pair of tongs, probably will help you out a lot. So you can grab that meat out of there. When it's just warm up a little bit, I will taste that broth to see if I need some more stuff. You can always look it up. There's a lot of meat in here. I swear for a living it is. Guys, you need to go over to Aldi's and get you some. Now they sell them in different stores also, but I mean, you know, the name brand probably be a little bit different. But you can make it to what you want it to be. See, this is real thin. See how thin that is? So, guys, stay tuned in for that, because I'm going to be making me authentic, although all mine are authentic anyway, but I want my meat this thin too. So trust and believe. If you're not from Chicago and you are from Chicago, I am the king of the beef. I'm not going to lie to you. I had Chicago, I've been in Chicago Italian beef for over, I want to say it good, 38 years. Oh, I'm telling my age, huh? Yeah, but I've been eating it for a long time. I was in a single digit when I started eating. Alright, we're just gonna let that warm up, guys. And when you start seeing it start to bubble, that's when you know it's done. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and make up some fries for this and show you guys what we got in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now if you can see this, see that stain right there? That's all you need right there. You ain't trying to burn no one mouse, okay? So this is done. And it didn't need any seasoning. I'm not going to lie to you. It's pretty good Italian beef. I'm going to turn this off. We're going to start fixing these sandwiches up. Let me go ahead and do one while I'm over here for you guys. So give me a second. Okay, let me get this thing. It's going to probably burn. Okay. Just want to move it around in here like so. Grab you some meat. Much as you want. These are what we call teasers. Because I load mine up. I'm not going to lie to you. Just like that, guys. Then you can hold it and you can dip it ends like that. It's authentic Italian Chicago beef. Put it on here like that. Like that. Let me get the giardiniera. Here we go. This is the giardiniera. Throw you some on there. Like so. Alright. See how easy it is to make you your own Chicago style Italian beef from Bona's. Bouna. I say Bona's, but it's Bouna. So you just throw you some fries on here. And you have your own Italian beef. Just like that, guys. See that? With your fries and all. You want some more gravy on your Italian beef, just get you a little thing and pour your little gravy on there. Alright. There you go. So make sure you guys go over there to Aldi's or your local food market and pick you up some of the bonus Italian beef and make your own at home. You can throw you some cheese on there if you want to. This is just for you guys. Much love to you. So if you like this video, please give me a like, okay, a share, and a subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to hit that bell. Please hit that bell. Alright? So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. And I'm out.